Hey guys, welcome back to the Anna Bob's Adventure channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Bob, and today we are doing Coke and baking soda. So first we're gonna need, oh gosh, this is on tight. It's gonna explode on me already. There. Is it ready? Okay, so I'm just gonna put the lid here. Doesn't matter how much I put. Okay. I am about to do this. Should I take the funnel off or no?
Yeah, once you're done, take the funnel off.
I got chickened out and I didn't do it fully, but that was still a lot. Ouch. Okay. Hi, this is my last Coca-Cola in the house. So, here it is. Baking soda. Oh, it's already filming. Well, that failed. Well, back to the market. Well, thanks for watching. Well, make sure to like, subscribe, and make sure to watch our other videos. And, well, I thought it would be a lot more exciting than it was, but that's that. See you guys next time.